Hi friends, today we are going to be writing words that has our double O spelling pattern in it. So what I would like you to do is to push pause. Remember that's the button that, or it's not a button, but it looks like a number 11. It's two lines standing straight up and down next to each other. And get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. And then when you come back, you can push the triangle to play the video again. I have to say, I miss not seeing you write your numbers every day. I see them as you're writing them in Seesaw and they look well, but I know that it is super hard to try to write in the Seesaw app with your small iPads. I like to see you being able to write your numbers and your letters on paper. So hopefully you're getting used to checking those numbers after you get done writing them, just to make sure that they're facing the right direction. So 1 period, and then underneath it 2 period, 3 period, all the way up to 8. All right, just a little bit of information is you're going to need to add 1 or 2 letters in front of the double O's and 1 or 2 letters at the end. So be thinking about beginning sounds and ending sounds. Our ooh is going to be right in the middle. So see if you can write this word, room, room. At Forest Hills, our room number was 131, 131. Room. Okay, let's see how you did. Room. Did you spell it R-O-O-M? If you did, you spelled it correctly. Good for you. Our next word, moon. 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 The moon is always in our sky, but we tend to be able to see it easiest at night. Moon. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Hopefully you're hearing those beginning and ending sounds. Here's another one, noon. Noon is considered 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, right between morning and afternoon. 12 noon. Noon. Still 4 letters. Noon. Did you spell it N-O-O-N? Noon. Look at that. 2 O's and 2 N's. If I only had an N-O, what does that say? No. But when I put another O and another N, we now have noon. All right, friends. Here's a word that you probably have heard me say a lot. Soon. I used to say we have to get ready for library soon. We have to get ready to go home soon. 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 We've had lots of N's today. S-O-O-N spells soon. What about this word? If I take away the O and the N at the end, we have the word so. But look down here, we have another word. O-N says on. We put so together with on, and what do we have? Soon. Soon. Very good. Goodbye, S. Goodbye, N. All right, friends, our next one has more than 4 letters. Spoon. Spoon. If you had soup or rice for lunch, you would need to use a spoon to eat it with. Spoon. 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 There we go. S-P-O-O-N spells spoon. Spoon. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm super glad about this next word, boot, because I am so happy that we do not have to wear our winter boots anymore. Boots. B, b, b. We know that that's a B. Oh, that says boo. Boo. Boot. And there we have boot. B-O-O-T. But you just don't want to wear one boot. You want to have two boots. Do you remember what we do to words to turn it into a plural? What do we need to add to the end? Let's turn boot into boots. We need to add that S. So B-O-O-T-S spells boots. Are you glad that you don't have to wear your winter boots anymore? I would think you would be. All right, friends, now listen carefully to this word, booth. Booth. When I go to Valley Fair, I need to stop at the ticket booth first. Booth. Boo. Oh, that's right. That's how you spell boo. Booth. Oh, do you remember that blend? Booth. Think of your thumb. That blend is made by T-H. Booth. B-O-O-T-H spells booth. Booth. Now, I want you to leave that word like it is. I'm going to leave it on my screen, but I want you to look at it on your paper, because for this next word, we only have to switch one of these letters out. We're going to take booth and turn it into tooth. 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 I do not hear a B in there, but I hear the ooth. So tooth. I needed to switch out the T. Tooth. Tooth. And look at this, friends. Another word in the beginning. What number does that oh, it doesn't, I shouldn't have said that. It does not represent a number. It represents a word. And what word is it? Two, which also stands for also. I want to go to the park too. I want to go to Walmart too. And you'd spell that T-O-O, which also stands for also. I want to go to the park also. I want to go to Walmart also. So two. Take two and we put tooth together, and there we have tooth. So friends, I hope you had success in writing. Feel free to pick one of those words and write it in a sentence if you'd like. We'll see you later, alligator.